In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Wix website. Whether you're cleaning up old projects, reorganizing your online presence, or just want to start fresh, deleting a website on Wix is a straightforward process. However, it's important to follow the steps carefully to ensure everything is done correctly. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Wix, you'll have no trouble following along. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix website. You can do this by typing wix.com into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the Wix homepage. This is where we'll begin. The next step is to log in to your Wix account using your credentials. In the top right corner of the Wix homepage, you'll find the login button. Click that, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Wix account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it by following the prompts. Once you've entered your details, click the login button to continue. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the control center for managing all of your Wix websites. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page, as it's where you can access all your sites and their settings. Now, locate the specific website you want to delete. You should see a list of all your active sites displayed here. Next to the website you wish to delete, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots. This is commonly referred to as the More Options or Action menu. Hover over the website name to reveal this icon, then click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing the site. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Move to Trash. This is the action that essentially removes the website from your active sites list. Once you click it, Wix will ask you to confirm your choice. A pop-up window will appear, asking if you're sure you want to move the site to the trash. This step is in place to prevent accidental deletions. So take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct website. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the action by clicking the appropriate button in the pop-up. Once you've confirmed, the website will be moved to the trash. To verify that this has been done, return to your dashboard and check your list of active websites. The site you just deleted should no longer appear here. If you want to double-check, you can navigate to the trash folder to see the site listed there. Keep in mind that moving a website to the trash doesn't permanently delete it right away. Wix gives you the option to restore it later, should you change your mind. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Wix website. By following these steps, you can keep your Wix dashboard organized and ensure you're only managing the sites that are active and necessary. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.